Can we walk? Can I walk across? How much tickets over there? All right. I guess we'll stop right here. So yeah, I guess they want a ticket. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this one we're gonna start at this temple right here. Actually, this is gonna be a bridge. So this bridge is gonna go over Hanoi. So we're just gonna check out all the stuff. I guess you have to buy a ticket, I guess. I don't know, we'll just walk and see some kind of cool artwork here. Tiger. So they might request tourists to pay, but I'm not so sure. We're gonna walk over and just see what happens. Oh yeah, they do. Can we walk? Can I walk across? How much tickets over there? All right. I guess we'll stop right here. So yeah, I guess they want a ticket. So we'll see what we can see. So we need a ticket to walk over to that right there and walk over that bridge. So the bridge does look pretty cool. This is the lake right here. And I can't say that I'm that interested in walking over to buy a ticket to walk over there. There's too many other things to see. So we're just gonna walk. We'll change things around a little bit. And instead we'll walk into another part. Bamboo trees, that's pretty cool. Floodlights as well, so that'll light up at nighttime. People taking pictures over the lake. And let's just see what we see. It looks like everything's closed for traffic around here, so we're gonna walk right into that space. And let's see what we can see. Yeah, lots of people. It's Sunday today too, so it makes me wonder what Sunday would be like compared to tomorrow. There's flowers. So okay, I'm basically trying to get a feel for Hanoi, so a little bit different than my other videos because I don't really know where I'm gonna go. I'm just gonna walk and just see what I run into. Okay, I think I'm gonna walk around the lake, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the camera on for it, so we'll stop right there. Toma cuidado la